Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Use the Discord desktop app because browsers restrict system audio. Open the app or the specific window you want to share, then pick the correct output device in both your OS and Discord voice and video settings so sound routes properly. Once done, choose Screen in Discord, select the application or screen that produces audio, and enable the option to share sound. This avoids common capture issues and gets you ready for the detailed steps that follow. Next, focus on precise configuration. Choose the specific app if you want cleaner audio, because sharing the entire screen can pick up extra sounds. Make sure the Sound or Share Audio checkbox is enabled in the Share dialog. This is the critical switch that includes system audio in the stream. Then pick stream quality appropriate for your connection. Higher resolution needs more bandwidth. Finally, confirm channel permissions so others can receive the audio. Without that, they may see video, but not hear anything. Finish by testing with a viewer. Ask them to confirm they hear the shared audio while you play a sample. If they can't, first recheck the application's output settings and ensure Discord's input device matches that output. If problems persist, restart Discord to reset capture, and on Windows, consider using a virtual audio cable or loopback device to route sound explicitly. One key troubleshooting tip: close other apps that capture audio, because only one program can sometimes access the sound device at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.